Left naman yung fish, diba? Inside. 1, 2, 3. Inside the basket. Very good job. Let's have the pineapple. Get the pineapple, Josh. Okay, get the pineapple. Pineapple. Very good. Not yet. Not yet. Hold first. Fair. Okay, hold first. Hold this one now. 1, 2, 3. Side. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Inside. Let's have the strawberry. Yes. Get the strawberry, Josh. Okay, very good. Okay, put it inside. 1, 2, 3. Inside. Again, here. One. Inside the basket there. Inside, go. Very good. Let's have the red apple. Joshua, get the red apple.
Joshua, look at your
red apple. Get the red apple now. There, very good. Put it inside the basket, huh? 1, 2, 3, inside. Josh, inside the basket. I'm sorry. Later. Inside the basket. 1, 2, 3, and so again. Click one more. Okay, almost done. Okay, here, inside. Inside. I'm sorry. Let's have the green apple. Get the green apple. Josh. Green apple. I'm sorry. Green apple. Yeah, let's have the pineapple. Get the pineapple. Yes. Pineapple. Inside the basket there. 1, 2, 3, inside. Do not close your eyes, Josh. Very good. Let's have the last one. Star fruit. Here, Joshua. Star fruit, Josh.